Hello guys, welcome to our channel Terrain Production. Today we are on the ride to Tamenglong. Masih Tamenglong chatlaga koi ahanba Manipur gada Sinjariva first travel film festival yawa chatu do ini aduga hosi koi lambi yam phatte pungi pun ngai re condition yam sokre. So I'm riding with one of my friends. It's a road condition by the way. Are you enjoying? Okay, he's a co-actor in Siang movie, so we'll be riding. So we're gonna start our journey and we'll cover live when we reach Tamenglong. Okay, see you guys. I'm going to say no ne yore duga. See the koi refreshment crowd tore. So we still have 3 hours to go. We are going long cut because shortcut silam bi am phatta badu long cut sang su sang kar chachari ge kale. So refreshment lore duga ngatang lere ko thoda ni. I think we'll reach around 5:30 or something. First travel film festival gi reach to lozer ke duga me am ochar ke duga koi kalakar khar bu sudum interviews wange like interview lor ga tawge to me am ngai biramo. So till then, see you Tamenglong. Frail Pantina vlog the koi kumzi area de koi masak ko zaman bi ni se. So, hi, have you if you know how to get a no ever. No way. Tuna Parani.
Now we're heading to Tamenglong.
Here she's traveling alone here, walking down because I cannot drive up because the road is too dusty and the dust was too thick, so the tire was spinning around, so we cannot drive, so I had to let her walk. And here is the bike, so we still have to go a long way. We are taking shortcut, so obviously it's not the right thing to take shortcut. If you're riding a bike while going to Tamenglong, you better take long cut because the road is so like something else disgusting. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I don't want to say anything.
Say do thumbs up at least.
Yeah.
Seems not very happy. I don't know why. And this is our cameraman. The guy Chewy. Okay. So we reached the location. This is our best cinematographer, Guy Chewy, and the legendary, the comedian, the best director, pilot RNK. Wrong mate, we have him there. Wrong mate, Nagakama. Yeah. So how's the food, by the way? How's the food? How's the food, man?
This is my first time in Tamenglong. So nice. The beef is so nice.
Okay.
I've eaten a lot. So nice.
What do you want to say about this?
About what?
About what pilot said right now?
Yeah, take a truth. So nice.
Okay. Travel film festival. We are in the venue, so you can see here. This is the stage, and this is where you can capture a photo. So this is where the movie is screening.
Yesterday I sing my travel song. So can I sing English?
Why not?
Okay, thank you so much.
You can also sing Kalung Set. So they're singing zombie song, I think.
movie, War. Those who want war, you can go and watch there. And those who want peace, you stay here. So, let me say, Bao film cái này cặp ni, khâu rồi na tăng khuôn mấy đam film cặp thế, khâu rồi na cookie mấy dòng film cặp thế, còn na cookie mấy dòng action dòng thế, sắp ra mấy dòng thế, họ thì cảm giác thôi, còn na khâu rồi na tăng khuôn mấy dòng social story thế này, còn mấy người na cinema giáo mấy người tại hall thế này talo, còn na hall thế này khâu sinh dòng lo mà khang ni, mấy người giáo cái này thế, cookie mấy dòng na giáo
So we are planning to watch the cookie movie. So we are going inside the hall. So let's get the pilot direction of morning. Ngarang halaga nga si Hawale si Masala Road Taong Baptist Church ni. So, kung si ground ko mga Guirila Thangal yung na mo handoy ni. Ang asi sa last day nito live di yaroy. Tangay father pa malay pagi. Yung fall tsaka daw kanina. Kasi ti long cut o yung tala ni shortcut to. Sabi yari ka na siya ito. Nga ma siya halaba gumani. Look here. Today, look here. Why are you shy? Ngarang ipun na mga slow mo sa natake ni. So today we are going a long cut. Mami kang bihaw sa say ko Guirila Thangal. Yam na icing kraba ngarang tabi mo na uri mi yam Oscar pang musi yaw ni. Very slow mo sa na ipun the buff take ni mai. Yes. Now we are back. Okay, ground na talaga gari kang mo load of ni. Beautiful Tamenglong. All nature. When Narendra Modi ka serve rin si get lere entrance lere. Sina yuki view ni. Orange grand final to wani ada kaya karma film low no de kang dre. I wish you all the best. Grand final for the labang amroy. Tabak chin wi yawagi ang laga ngasi sipo ko order ceremony. So you can see the view, the famous Tamenglong orange. Yang Fazay, like it's kind of hilly, but the surroundings so healthy. I think there's a lot of trees along with the house. Tamenglong ri thola e lambi sidi wow tare siwa jam thi nung ngal ni yum yo with at least 3 hours to what the thawidori I think till today it's not a good thing to go Tamenglong with the two-wheelers. May sikat na bisawi yung makha sa leba kasi doon nung natin siya gari tower ni kana su tawi ade.
Let's go.
Alright, no nelo wido no ni yo wido amuk butcherake. Wish us a safe journey. Zakre ngatang race lobby bani khosi mi man re. But the view is so good here. See koi awangkol hendoga live ni. Awangkol manung ni hendog na de awangkol manung da. Simoy railway ki lebak hai ga samay extend to ke ba. You can see down from the city tar lore hingra. Koi sin no ni yo do ni no ni dim fa. Ai samak ti uchar yam mi man rab ni ka man kre. Sa man kre. Show me your face, please. Maso igay re. Punta na ko yung tower is lore. Why na? Sige mo tunga inner dip chai chai ram. Guirila is clicking the view, I think. Oi, tu ni mga tu di hing rồi nang. Yung condition the lower mai mit sa pum chai jare tawri se. Tamenglong dagi none di hosi infal thodar ni. Sumai ni infal kum noi ni. Yang fazare. Tanan na ti fazare se. Ama su yang fazare. Here, yang fazare masu. Okay, so now we are heading to Imphal. And where are we going? Where's the place name, by the way? Huh? Yekongpao.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to Yekongpao again. It's in Senapati. In which district?
Near KPI district.
Okay, it's gonna be a hell of a ride. Let's go. Imphal yore. Hosik koi thangmai banda sinju jage to e. Sinju jage to riye. Amuka hosik mabu thenba tampok pi yo ni. I think I lower all day in it whole is sheer. And the refreshment cut capsule crag. But the rest of the city, you won't be in Bokang. War, Lori Lagumale. Was it you see white person that I told me a crowd for the crack? So, since you say I'm not look at here, more again, putting us in that. Quay kana jari em hao ra ví dụ con lo khát lên what you want to cheers cheers nice no after a tiresome journey. Later. What does this live for? Huh? No, I mean, what is it for? Like this? Nice, yeah. Xì dao rồi cái thâu vậy đâu nữa, gầu rồi không? Anh là một dùng hạt tuổi bạn ngoài đâu rồi? Wow, so don't know why go. So it's a memory. So it's a memories.
Yes, it is.
So. Local. What am I doing? Since you mean a kangaroo, no, correct. Tell me the bunny boy. Banyak saya lakukan sebagai cek tahu ya, sebagai cek tahu tak. Driving license suy yang dia, lalu gari cek suy yang dia. Hei, kau malah lakukan foto nama le, foto nama mana orang le foto nama le, foto nama kau tu macam tamu thado ya, kristal orang ni dia.
Hun nak apa ni?
Hun nak beli kap kira ni, ngau berenang. Moi tu. Frisking the way I have it. Takat na boy rong ani ba. Yam sa sinu ko mong pu sawot ni. Sai ai thâu xe chuyện đồng đàng bảo thâu bạn cân là thâu suy à bên này đôi buồn làm bi phát năng đời cân thâu xuống ngầm đẻ thì bạn này exit mà sang tàu rồi bên này chỉ tao mang này phát mình sẽ long rồi bên này Alright, 우리 반에 포함 들어가. 우드레. 마요레, 마틸라메. 어제 아이움 하더니 난 까이 까도이노. Okay, 까 그래 얘기 चलो. Right, now
See you next time again.
Yeah.
Safe journey.
Yes. Maka kre. Chalo nungai na. Okay, bye bye. Maya mat lam kre zikti ai show yum hanma tawrage. Yam su theng kre. Saksu yeng we adre. Tana maya blog yeng video singbo. Thank you. Mathang su tumaina cover to zara ke. So yeah. Take care. Good night.